real quick, I want to say thank you to everyone that contributed to the giveaway. It was really awesome hearing from everyone. Very enjoyable giveaway for me. Hearing what everyone's working on. It's fantastic. So I'm going to try to hit this target. Might take me a couple tries, but we'll give it a go. Alright, we might have a winner there. I need to practice on my shooting bad. Whew. That's a no-go. Alright, so take two. This is, I had one miss and I had one on the paper, but not very good. Okay, so round two was better. Almost had a very near win there. It's going to be attempt number 3. Well, I had to take a double look because this one was really close. You can clearly see where the impact was. Yeah, it looks like Mr. Jaron Gittinger. Mr. Gittinger, you are the winner of the giveaway. Just want to thank everyone again. Really enjoyed this. Mr. Gittinger, you will be hearing from me. Thanks so much.